so beautiful, and the dancing was so graceful, and just I really loved it. It was awesome.
This is the Fu symbol. If you turn it upside down, this means it's coming to you. So that means fortune is coming to you. But it's very interesting.
Yeah, we've been to Lunar New Year last year, but there wasn't any events like this, so it was really interesting that there was more of a cultural aspect this year.
Our first time receiving it. I think it's really neat. I'm really proud to be part of that tradition. I'm honored.
I have time, definitely. I want to go visit Hangzhou.
I love Hangzhou. I would like to visit Hangzhou.
I love Hangzhou, and I'd love to visit Hangzhou next time.
新年快乐！
新年快乐！
Hangzhou 新年快乐！新年快乐！
杭州恭喜发财！
Hangzhou 恭喜发财！
杭州恭喜发财！